Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a phone case that's in use for an iPhone 11 Pro. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here we do have the front, and right here we do have the back. And when you guys look at the size of the case, it is pretty thick because they do have a lot of different options inside. Let me open up to show you guys what I mean. So we have to open right here. If you can see, the magnet that's on here is pretty strong. But once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So they do probably got a little strap option for you to hang it in the outside, which I'll show you guys in a second. But once you guys take this part out, here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do take out that part. So basically on this side right here, they do have a slot for you guys to put your ID card if you guys want to. But once you guys open this part here, and we see there's a lot of different compartments right here for you guys to put all your stuff. So definitely have more than enough slot for you guys to put all your credit cards or cards in general right here. Same for this side. And the inside right here, they do have a little compartment for you guys to put like your bills inside. Or important those inside or cards if you guys want to. But we see it's actually very spacious for you guys to put a lot of stuff, which is pretty cool. But once you guys are done with this part, you can close that up. Just like that. And for this side right here, we do have the option for you guys to put your phone on here. And the cool thing about this part is the fact that it is removable. So I do pull it out. This is basically what the product looks like. So it basically works as a 2-in-1 option. You guys do have the option to use it as a case, or you can use it as a wallet case, which is pretty cool. And the way how it holds it up together is because they do have a magnetic design. So I do put it back. If you see how strong the magnet is on here. So that is basically what the inside looks like. If you guys turn to the other side, here is the other side. And like I mentioned, they do have this option right here. So if you guys do clip it on, now you guys have a wrist strap option if you guys want to use that option available. And I do want to mention the way how they designed this part right here is actually pretty cool. They do give you guys the option to go like this. So that way you can kind of use it as a stand option to watch stuff at the same time. And also another thing I just realized is inside right here, there's another compartment for you to put stuff right here. So basically I have 2 compartments for you to put your bills inside or a note, which is pretty cool. So definitely the way how they designed this case, it is pretty cool. There's a lot of different compartments for you to put all your stuff. In terms of like your notes, your dollar bills, your bills in general, your credit card, your ID, and etc. So that way you guys don't have to carry like a separate bag with you. You guys can just carry this with you guys everywhere. But now let me show you guys what's on here. So obviously right here we do have the opening for your phone lens. Right here we do have the buttons on the side. Same thing for this side. And then also for the bottom part right here as well. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys do feel the inside, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of protection built in. So once you guys are done using the case by itself, you do have the option to put it back like this and close it back up. And it's all set. So now I'm just go put my phone on here to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so here is basically what the case looks like once you guys do put on the phone. So this is the front. If you guys do close it up, here it actually looks like from the back. And if you guys do flip it up, here is basically what the product looks like from the bottom. Here is the side, and right here is the top. And when you guys do open up, this is basically what the product looks like from the inside. If you guys open right here, you guys also have the option available as well. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to take it out, you definitely have the option to take it out like that, if you guys do want to. Or when you guys are done using it, you guys can put it back on. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test the product, and definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. And you see how when you guys do put your phone on here, it actually looks pretty nice. And I love the fact that how they do design the case, so that way you guys do have a lot of different compartments for you guys to put your card, your bills, or anything else. And on top of that, like I mentioned, it does give you guys the option to use it as a wallet case, or you can pull it out and just use it as a case by itself, which is a really cool design if you guys do think about it. But the only issue that I do see about the product is the fact that it's so bulky because of everything that's provided for you guys on the actual case. So if you guys don't mind that issue, then it should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality case that basically work as a wallet case and allow you guys to use it as a regular case and provide you guys everything that I show you guys in this video, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously if those guys don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.